What makes people successful? I'm Alan Donegan, and this is...
I'm Simon Payne.
And we're from the Pop-Up Business School.
It was 2011 when Alan and I were drinking a whole bunch of coffee. We were coming up with lots of ideas for things. And the idea that excited us both the most was the idea of building a business school that makes people money instead of costs people money.
From day one, Simon and I wanted to launch a business school, and the very first name we came up with was the Rebel Business School.
And one of us said, hey, let's just pop up. And it was like, oh, what, like a pop-up business school? Like, yeah, you know, we could travel the country. And in that moment, the Rebel School kind of drifted away as an idea for a name. And it was replaced by the Pop-Up Business School. And we've been running as the Pop-Up Business School since 2012.
So we've got 10 minutes to go before the first ever Pop-Up Business School launches in Weston-super-Mare.
And since then, we've trained over 8,000 people in 7 countries. But despite that, there's always some confusion over our name. They've called us Business Pop-Up School. Pop-Up School. And there's also the unfortunate PUBS acronym. We never really set out to build a business. We just like working together, coming up with cool ideas and making them happen. But there was something about that very first course that we ran in October 2012 that was magical. And I think we knew we were onto something quite special.
Who says you need to write a business plan? Who says you need to go into debt to start a business? Who says you need to follow the traditional way of doing things and get a job for many, many years? There are different ways to do things.
So fast forward a few years, we're here to stay. And we need a brand that matches our global ambition. We don't really pop up anymore, we're kind of here to stay. But now the world has changed. Business has changed, and we need to change.
So this completes the journey that we've been on for the last 8-9 years.
Instead of pausing for a pandemic, we took the opportunity to invest in our business. We've got big plans, and we've got a big ambition. We are the Rebel Business School.